What's up guys, welcome back. This is Prabhashankar Khare and I welcome you all to my channel The PS Digitals. In our last video, we have seen that how we can switch our website from Wix ADI to Wix Editor. Okay, and we have seen that it is completely possible. So in case if you have missed out that video, then please go and watch it. I have mentioned link in description below and you can also find out that in I button here. Okay, so I think that after switching from Wix ADI to Wix Editor, you might be confused after seeing the interface of Wix Editor. Okay, so don't worry, it is my duty to walk you through the complete interface of Wix Editor. So this video is completely all about that. Okay, so in this video we are going to see what all things we will see in the Wix Editor and how will the interface look like. So nothing to worry about, we will start the video right now. So this is the interface guys which we have got after switching from Wix ADI to Wix Editor, and this is the Wix Editor interface. Okay, so we will start from the top left as we have seen so many new things comparing to Wix ADI. In the top left section, this section is something new and this section is also new, so we will talk all about that in this video. We will start from the top left section. In this we are getting this site option. Okay, so under this site option you will get all the things related to your current website. Okay, the website which you are making, you can easily save it, you can preview it, get feedback, you can easily publish it, you can view your published site, you can also create your release candidate. In case if you don't know what release candidate is, then it is just to create a test version of your site and gradually open it to your site visitors. Okay, and you can also create a release manager also. Okay, in which you can manage the exposure of your site versions. Okay, and also you can see your site history, like what all things you have changed right now. Okay, you can easily see that, or you can, or if you want to duplicate your website, then you can easily do that from here. And you can transfer your website, you can move your site to trash. Okay, and as we have seen that if you want to go back to Wix ADI editor, okay, or Wix ADI, I can say that you can easily do it from here. And this is the option of exit editor. After this site option, we are getting this setting option, in which it is completely related to your account. Okay, in which you can easily connect your domain, you can get a mailbox, you want to upgrade your plan, then you can easily do that. You can do some SEO things which is get found on Google. You can insert your fave icon here, you can put your business information through that. You can give visitor important info about your business, like your address, phone number and many more. Okay, if you want social share, then here is the option marketing integration. Okay, in which you can add tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel and more. Okay, and you can also track where your visitor come from and what they do on your site. If you want to give some roles and permissions to your members or to your staff, to your employee or to your business partner, then you can easily do it from here. Okay, accessibility wizard option is also here and mobile friendly option is there. Okay, you can automatically optimize your website just by using this option, and also I will show you how you can do it manually in my upcoming videos, so no need to worry about. Okay, and if you want to sharpen your image, then you can do it from here. Some privacy and cookies option is here, and if you want to make your website multilingual, like if you want to create your website in 6 or 7 language or more than that, then you can easily do it with this multilingual option. As you can see here that you can add multiple languages to your site, so visitor can browse in their language. Okay, and with this error page 404 option, you can easily create some custom 404 error page, and after that this dashboard option is here. Okay, after this setting you are getting this dev mode option. Okay, it is completely about coding and customizing your website with coding. Okay, so we will talk more about that in our upcoming videos. Okay, so this all is completely related to coding language. So you just need, if you want to turn on this, then just click on this button and your dev mode is on. Okay. For now we are keeping it like that, and after dev mode we are getting hire a partner option, help option and upgrade option. Okay, under help you will see all the articles related to your Wix account. Okay, not your Wix account but related to Wix. Okay, like if you want to read some articles, then you can easily read it from here. Okay, and this is the page drop down option. Okay, so currently we are having 1 2 3 6 pages now. Okay, and some booking pages is also there, so all the pages you can switch from here. Okay, if you want to go to about us page, so just click on this about us option, about us page, and it will take you into this page. And if you want to switch from desktop version to mobile version, so you can easily do it from here. Okay, here is the option, and this left bar, okay, this is the main thing through which you can edit your website, you can add all the elements. Okay, so first one is menu and pages option, in which you are seeing all your pages here. Okay, if you want to edit any of your page name, so just double click here. Okay, and you will be able to edit your page name. Okay, and if you want to see more settings of the page, okay, just click on done here. After that, okay, we will move back to our home page and then see more options. Okay, just click on this 3 dots to see more options. Okay, so let's click on this and we will see this setting, SEO, Google, social share, rename, duplicate page option, copy this page option, hide or delete option. Okay, so if you want to do any of these things, so just choose it from here. Okay, let me show you this setting option for now. Okay, in this we are getting more options. Okay, like what kind of layout do you want in this page, what kind of permissions do you want to give in this page. Okay, SEO option is there, social share, advanced SEO. Okay, so all the things will become from this 3 dots. Okay, like in each page you are seeing this 3 dot option. Okay, so just click on this and you will be able to change the meta title and all the things of this page particularly. Okay, so currently we will move back to our home page. So this all are the normal pages. Okay, and this is related to your booking pages, in which your book online option, service page and booking checkout page will be there. If you want to set some transition to your pages, then you can do it from here. Okay, and then we'll move back to our home page. After this menu and pages option, you will get this page background option. Okay, through this you can easily change your page background, whether it will be color, image or video. And after that, this plus icon is the main thing. Okay, through which you can you can design your website to any level. Okay, so in this you will get this strip option, text option, image, button, gallery, decorative. Okay, interactive option is there, you can add box in your website from this, and list and grid option is here, you can add video and music from here. And if you want to add menu, okay, then you can do it from here. Okay, there are different types of menu which is listed here, so you can choose any of these from here. Okay, so we will see all these things in our upcoming videos. So currently I am just giving you overview about that, so that you will be familiar with the interface of Wix editor and you won't get confused when you design it for yourself. Okay, so after that, this social share but social icon option is there, and then contact and forms. And if you want to embed any HTML code or anything to your website, okay, from externally, then you can do it from here. Okay, and content manager, this is something through which you can easily manage your website from backend. Okay, which we call as a dynamic website, so you can make it from this option, content manager. Okay, and then blog, store, booking, event, members and my designs. You can save your custom designs here. Okay, under my designs option. And after this add option, you will get this theme manager option. Okay, in which you will set your color theme of the website, and you can also set the text by default. After this theme manager, you will get this add apps option, in which you will get Wix app market, through which you can easily add any of the applications you want in your website. Okay, so let's see, currently this online store option is there. Okay, so you can easily add back Wix stores, online store, eBay store, okay, Etsy shop, QuickBooks online. So many applications are there under Wix app market. So we will talk more about that when we use that in our upcoming videos. So currently let it be like that. Okay, after that this media option is here. Okay, in which you can easily upload your media, you can edit your images or videos. Okay, and you will also get some free Wix image here and free Wix videos, and some Shutterstock images is also there, means Shutterstock images and videos both. Okay, and after this media there is a start blogging option. Okay, with this you can easily add blog in your website. So I will tell you how you can do that and how you can optimize your blog. Okay, so we will talk more about that in our upcoming videos. So this is the blog option through which you can easily add a blog to your website. And after this start blogging option, you will get this booking option. Okay, you might have remembered that we have added booking option when we were creating website in our Wix ADI. Okay, so because of that this booking option is here. So you can easily add or manage the services here. Okay, you can add booking elements into your website, and if you want to learn more, then just click on this option. After this booking there is a last option which is Ascend Business Tool. This is basically related to marketing and SEO or CRM, I can say. Okay, you can easily build customer relationships from this option. Okay, and finance option is here. You can also see analytics and reports from here. Okay, so this is all which we have got in our left side. Okay, let's move back to our right side. So in the right side you will see that we can save our website from here, preview from here, and publish from here. Okay, and this is the undo and redo option. From this you can zoom out and reorder your strip. Or okay, so let us do that. Like if you want to, if you want to take this blog below this blog. Okay, so just click on this move down option and it will do that for you. And let's suppose if you want to duplicate this, then just click on this duplicate section and it will duplicate your website, your section. Okay, and if you want to delete it, then just click on this delete option. And if you want to zoom, and if you want to go back to your default mode, then just click on this exit mode. Okay, and in this tool option you will get your toolbar, layers, rulers, grid line, and a snap to object option. Okay, so let's uncheck this. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Before you end up this video, I really want you to go and download the checklist which I have made especially for you. And on the checklist I have mentioned how to create a beautiful and stunning website step by step. So go click on the link given in description below and download your checklist now. So in this toolbar you will get all the options to edit your elements. Okay, individual elements or align your elements. Okay, and after this toolbar you will get this layer option in which you can see your header section, page section which is your body section. Okay, in which all your strips are shown, and footer section. Okay, and after this layer there is a ruler option and grid line, and grid line is nothing but this. Okay, as you can see that, and snap to object option. And if you want to search anything, then you can do it from here. Okay, just type here anything, like if you want to searching for icons. Okay, so just click here and it will take you to this icon button, vector icon button. Okay, and one more place from where you can search this all things. Okay, which is under, let me show you, just close all of this. Okay, just go to this add and you can also search it from here. Okay, this search the editor and this search, both are same. So this is how the interface look like, guys, and this is all the things like we have discussed right now. So I hope, guys, that you have found this video valuable, and I know that this video is a bit long, but Yes, it is necessary to understand the interface of Wix editor, because from now on you will be able to design your website more beautifully and more creatively. Okay, so I hope that you have found this video valuable, and please like this video if you have found this valuable. And if you have any questions or thoughts, then please comment down below, and please subscribe to this channel, and please press the bell icon to get further notifications of the video which I am going to upload. So for now, I am just signing off. So we will meet on the next video. Till then, bye bye, and thank you so much.